As All Recipe member Elizabeth B.H. writes, these chocolate chip cookies are the pinnacle of perfection. If you want a big, fat, chewy cookie like the kind you see at bakeries and specialty shops, then these are the cookies for you. We'll start by preheating the oven to 325 degrees. Next, grease 2 cookie sheets, or if you prefer, you can line them with parchment paper. Sift together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then set that aside. Now, melt 1½ sticks of butter. That's about 3/4 of a cup. Combine that with 1 cup of packed brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. Cream this together really well. When those are blended, beat in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 whole egg, plus 1 egg yolk. Beat this mixture until it is light and creamy too. Add the dry ingredients and combine until just blended, making sure not to overmix at this point. Now, using a wooden spoon, stir in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Once the chips are evenly distributed throughout, drop the dough 1/4 cup at a time onto the prepared cookie sheets. Leave 3 inches between each cookie because they will spread. Bake the cookies in your preheated oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. The cookies are done when the edges turn light brown. Cool them on the baking sheets for a few minutes and then transfer them to a wire rack with a spatula so they finish cooling. Once they've cooled enough to eat, get ready to enjoy